Shri Gurupyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard business maths, state board, chapter 6, exercise 6.1, fifth sum. Two coins are tossed. When a coin, you have two faces, one is head and another face is tail. So, two coins are tossed simultaneously. Getting a head is termed as success. Getting a head is termed as success. Find the probability distribution number of success. Find the probability distribution number of success. Let x denote the number of heads. Let x denote the number of head. Number of head. What are the possible random variable? X can take the random variable 0, 1, 2 because we have tossed two coins. If x equal to 0, no head. If x equal to 1, you are getting a chances of only one head. If x equal to 2, you are getting a chances of getting two coins head. See, P of probability of success. Probability of success. Probability of success P equal to, you know very well, coin you have two sides, head and tail, and one is the head portion. Then Q equal to 1 minus P, 1 minus 1 by 2 because total probability value is 1. P plus Q, probability of success and probability of failure equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. It gives 1 by 2. So, success equal to 1 by 2 and failure equal to 1 by 2. P of x equal to 0. When I tossed two coins, I am not getting head. So, P of no head. P of no head. P of failure only. No head because head is similar as a success. Two coins are tossed. Getting a head is termed as a success. Okay, P of no head. No head means I am getting a failure only. P of F into P of F. So, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. The answer is 1 by 4. The answer is 1 by 4. P of x equal to 1. P of x equal to 0. Answer is 1 by 4. P of x equal to 1. Only one head. By a chance you are getting only one head. One head. One head means, see, the first choice. The first choice, when two coins are tossed, probability of success into probability of failure. That is the first coin you are getting the success and the second coin you are getting the failure plus probability of failure into probability of success. See, when you tossed two coins, either you can get the first coin as a success or you can get the second coin as a success. So, probability of success into probability of failure are plus probability of failure into probability of success. So, what is the value? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. It gives 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The answer is 2 by 4. The answer is 2 by 4. Then we move on to P of x equal to 2. P of x equal to 2. Two coins head. P of 2 head. P of 2 head. When I toss the coin, I am getting two coins. Two coins as a success only. P of success into success means head. It's shown as a head. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So, the value is 1 by 4. When there is no head, I am getting the value 1 by 4. 1 head means 2 by 4 and 2 head means getting the value 1 by 4. Now, we move on to the probability mass function. So, probability distribution function is probability distribution is probability distribution is you can draw the tabular column. See here, capital X can take the random variable X. P of x equal to small x 0 1 2. What is the value of P of x equal to 0? 1 by 4, x equal to 1, 2 by 4, x equal to 2, 1 by 4. Know very well, sigma pi. Sigma pi is greater than 0. See, each pi value is greater than 0. Sigma pi equal to, sigma pi equal to 0 into, sigma pi equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Sigma pi value, sigma is nothing but a summation of the series. You can add all the values. 1 by 4 plus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to, 4 is the common denominator, 1 plus 2, 3, 4. When we cancel, what is the answer? Sigma pi value is equal to 1. Yeah, see the sixth sum, it's a very important sum. So the given function is a probability function. If it is a probability function, pi value is greater than 0. See, it is given as a probability function, continuous function, sigma pi equal to 1. Sigma pi equal to 1. The given function is a probability function. Pi's value is greater than 0. Sigma pi equal to 1. Can add all the values and get the value of k. So 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k equal to 1. So 2k plus 2k is what? 4k, 5k, 8k. 8k plus 1, 9k. 9k. K square plus 2k square, 3k square plus 7k square, 10k square equal to 1. 10k square equal to 1. Write it in a proper way. See, 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. Sum equal to 9. Product equal to minus 10. So minus 10. Minus 10. 10 ones are 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Coefficient is there. So you can divide the coefficient. So what is the value we are getting? K plus 1. K minus 1 by 10 equal to 0. K plus 1. K minus 1 by 10. K minus 1 by 10 equal to 0. K plus 1 equal to 0. K equal to minus 1. In the probability, all the values are greater than 0. So k value minus 1, it is not possible. So not possible. So next you can choose the next one. What is the next one? Not possible. What is the next one? K minus 1 by 10 equal to 0. K equal to 1 by 10. So what is the value of k? K equal to 1 by 10. See here, second subdivision. P of x less than 6. Less than 6, what are the values we are going to take? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the values are P of x equal to 0 plus P of x equal to 1 plus etc. up to less than 6. You will write P of x equal to 5. P of x equal to 5. So 0 plus x equal to 1. K plus x equal to 0. X equal to 0, 0. X equal to 1, k. X equal to 2, 2k. X equal to 3, 2k. X equal to 4, 3k. X equal to 5, k square. See here, 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus k square. Up to P of x equal to k value we can take. See, can add all the values. 3k plus 2k, 5k, 5k plus 2k, 7k, 7k plus k is 8k. So the value is P of x less than 6. P of x less than 6, the value is 3, 5, 7, 8. 8k plus k square. What is the value of k? We already got it. K value equal to 1 by 10. You substitute k value here. 8 into 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 the whole square. 1 by 10 the whole square. So 8 by 10 plus 1 by 100. You can take the LCM as 100. 100 is the LCM. Multiply by 10. 80. 80 plus 1. So what is the value of P of x less than 6? It gives 81 by 100. It gives 81 by 100. See, P of x greater than or equal to 6. Greater than or equal to 6. Equal to means you can take the value 6 also. Greater than 6. After the 6 number, what are the values we are having? 7 only. So, P of x equal to 6 plus P of x equal to 7. P of x equal to 6 plus P of x equal to 7. X equal to 6. 2k square. X equal to 7. 7k square plus k. 7k square plus k. So, P of x greater than or equal to 6. P of x greater than or equal to 6 equal to 2k square plus 7k square is 9k square plus k. 9k square plus k. So, 9 into what is the value of k? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 the whole square plus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. It gives 9 by 100. 9 by 100 plus 1 by 10. You can take it as 100 as the LCM. Into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 9 plus 10. So, the value is 19 by 100. So, the value is 19 by 100. See the next one. P of 0 less than x less than 5. In between the value 0 and 5, equal to sign is not there. So, you cannot take the value 0 and 5. You can exclude that value. You can take the in between value 0 to 5. So, it gives P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 plus P of x equal to 4. P of x equal to 4. What is the value for 1? K. K plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k. K plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k. So, see here. K plus 2k, 3k. 3k plus 2k, 5k. 5k plus 3k, 8k. P of 0 less than x less than 5 equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. 8k. 8 into 1 by 10. 8 into 1 by 10. The value is 8 by 10. So, you cancel the value. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. So, P of 0 less than x less than 5 equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. The value is 4 by 5. See here. Next subdivision, if P of capital X less than or equal to X greater than 12, then find the minimum value of X. Greater than 12, then find the minimum value of X. Greater than 1 by 2. Greater than 1 by 2, then find the minimum value of X. You can take it as P of X less than or equal to 0. P of x less than or equal to 0. P of 0. P of 0 value is 0. It is what? Less than 1 by 2. You should find out the value of greater than 1 by 2. Next you can take it as P of x less than or equal to 1. What are the values we have taken? C 0, 1. 0, 1. 0 plus k. So the value is 1 by 10. It is also what? Less than 1 by 2. Less than 1 by 2. Then you can take the value p of x less than or equal to 2. P of x less than or equal to 2. P of x less than or equal to 2 means what are the values? 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. You can add all the values. 0 plus k plus 2k, 3k. So it gives 3k. 3k is 3 by 10. That is k value is 1 by 10. What is 0.3? It is also what? Less than 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is what? 0.5. Next you can choose p of x less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3. It gives p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 plus p of 3 plus p of 3. See, 0 plus k, 2k, 3k, 3k plus 2k, 5k. 3k plus 2k value is what? 5k. 5k. 5k is nothing but what? 5 into 1 by 2. 5 into 1 by 10. K value is 1 by 10. So it is also what? Equal to. See, it is also 1 by 2. 0.5 by 0.5. 0.5. It's less than 1 by 2. See, 5 by 10. 5 by 10. The value is 0.5. 1 by 2, the value is also what? 0.5. So the value is equal. But they are asking about the x less than or equal to x greater than 1 by 2. You should find out the value of greater than 1 by 2. But if x less than or equal to 3, you got the value equal 1 by 2. See, p of x. P of x less than or equal to 4. P of x less than or equal to 4. What are the values we are going to take? P of 0 plus P of 1 plus P of 2 plus P of 3 plus P of 4. P of 0, P of 1, P of 2, P of 3 plus P of 0. P of 4. 0 plus k plus 2k, 3k. 3k plus 2k. 3k plus 2k is 5k, 5k plus 3k is 8k. So the value is 8k. What is the value of k? 1 by 10. So it gives 8 by 10. See here, p of x less than or equal to 4 equal to 0.8. 8 by 10. 0.8. So 0.8 is greater than 1 by 2. What is the value of 1 by 2? 0.5. So 0.8 greater than 0.5. So the value of x, minimum value of x, minimum value of minimum value of x equal to 4. Minimum value of x equal to 4. P of x less than or equal to 4. P of x less than or equal to 4. You are getting the value greater than 1 by 2. Getting the value greater than 1 by 2. See, the minimum value of x equal to 4. That is the last step. P of x less than or equal to 4 is greater than 1 by 2. It's a very important board question. I hope you understood, children. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.